Now welcome to this beginner's course to Forex trading. Now if you don't know about my background, let me just go through briefly regarding what I've done in the past few years as a motivational speaker and also as a Forex trader. Now I've been featured in multiple magazines, newspapers. I was also ranked number 1 in the whole entire nation in Singapore in the Forex trading competition and contributed articles to a couple of different media platforms. Speaking engagements from keynote speaking at major conferences, both to working professionals and students to help them achieve their fullest potential. And I also spoke in NUS of Singapore, NTU of Singapore, and other educational institutions, okay, to students to inspire them to live their fullest potential. Alright, and I also spoke at a conference in Marina Bay Sands, and this was also held in Singapore. So if you're in Singapore, do come and say hi. Alright, and these are some of the pictures that I took. In fact, my photographer took. And I also spoke in Malaysia to audiences from different backgrounds, ranging from students to CEOs to lawyers, professors, teachers, also to help them achieve whatever career goals that they have, financial goals that they have as a motivational speaker. Alright, and I also contributed a chapter in this book called Your Cash Moves alongside with Adam Khoo, James Tan, and other experts. I also co-authored a book called Turning Ideas into Profit, where it was sold in MPH bookstores, Kinokuniya, and we held an autograph session there as well. Okay, these are some of the photos that we have. And I was also ranked top 30 financial experts by Street Smart University in the year of 2015. And this is one of the media features, in fact a magazine interview that I've done for FX Trader magazine. So if you came across this course in 2017, I think it is still online. You can go check it out for free, the soft copy.